Tony, it's Mo. Here's your bike. We just put original Eldorado good used mufflers on it. I'll let you hear how it sounds. They still got a teeny bit of rust in them, but they're good. Look at the, check out your polish. Polished up the valve covers for you. The wheels, clean those up. Troy got all those cleaned up for you. So I think it's ready to ship. And they're supposed to pick it up Tuesday. So call me if there's any problem. Talk to me Monday. All right, buddy, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Good.